In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 of my top live streaming app that pays in 2026. I am not joking. They pay. And the good thing about these apps is that you can withdraw, like the withdrawal method, it is so easy. You can withdraw in your USDT, that's your Bybit. You can withdraw in your local bank account. You can withdraw in your OPay, you can withdraw in your PalmPay, you can withdraw in your Fex Bank. Like, this app made it so easy for everybody, both Nigerians. And the good part of this app that you can do it at the comfort of your home, just with your phone. You don't even need all these fancy gadgets, lights. No, just your phone is okay, and you will just look good and make good money from it. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Grow with Shoma. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you are welcome. And on this page, I talk about finance, I talk about AI creation, I talk about faceless YouTube channel. In fact, let me not bore you. Check the channel and trust me, you're going to see something that will make you stick around. So let's dive fully into this video. This live streaming app are texted and trusted. I have used them and I'm here to give it to you. So you will use them and join me and make this money. The link to download any of the app is in my description box. Do what to use the link, download the app, and I'll teach you more in the app when you use my link. Let's go. The first live streaming app on my list that will give you cool money is the Poppo Life app. The first live streaming app is the Poppo Life app, and this is what the logo looks like. I've made detailed video about this app on my page. You can do what to check it if you want to learn more about the Poppo Life app. Now, this app is a very good app that you can earn good money from the app, just from playing games, going live. Hold on, network is bad. Good. Just from playing games, going live, and you will earn good money from it. You can even invite friends and still make money. And what I love about the app is that they are very strict with their rule. You can't expose your body on the app. For the withdrawal aspect, you can withdraw with your OPay, you can withdraw with your normal bank account, you can withdraw with your Bybit, your Binance, depending on your choice. It's one good app that knows that pays very well just for going live. These are people on live stream doing parties, are joining people to have conversations, then posting your video, playing games, and you will make good money from this app. This Poppo app, the minimum withdrawal is $10, and currently now I have $8. So very soon I'll be able to withdraw my money. So this is a good app you should look into if you want to make good money from it. And with the link in the description box, and let's talk more on this app. The second live streaming app that will give you good money is the Niki Life app, and I love this app. This Niki Life is another good paying live streaming app that will pay you just for going live, because currently these are people on live stream. My network is pretty bad. Wait, let me change it from the Wi-Fi to normal network. Okay, these are people currently on live stream and they are making good money from it. You can make money from this app by just going live, performing taxes, playing game. You can see currently now I have $48 on this app, which is good, right? So I'm not capping when I bring something to you guys. I give you guys the real tea. So let's move on. Now, this app, for you to make money, you can go live, play games, interact with people for you to make money on this app. Now, if you want to download this app, please use the link in the description box to download the app. Then we can talk more in the app, because I teach people on how to navigate the app well inside the app. You understand? So this is a good paying platform that pays well just for you to go live, play games, chat to people. And also with this, you can also withdraw your money. Hold on, let me show you guys. With this, you can withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw your money from the Bybit, Binance, Cool bank account. We can see it here. You can withdraw your money. See it here. Hold on, let me show you. You can withdraw your money on USDT, Bybit, Binance, your First Bank, Zeneba, Ecobank, GTB, UBA, Access Bank, Opay, PayPal. So this is another good platform that you can make money from. This app is one app you should not even sleep on. I am not kidding. Use the link in my description box, download the app, and I'll teach you more in the app. The third one is the Mimoon live streaming app. This is another good live streaming app that you can understand, and the good thing about this one is that you don't need any agent at all or agency to start live streaming. This app is just make money on your own, be very serious and make good money. Now this app is very easy to understand, like I said in the beginning time, like I said, and also all hosts can stream directly. Many of you will love this one. You can earn through invite, you can earn through live streaming, you can earn through posting pictures, sharing moments, you can earn through gifting, and also you can earn through when someone gifts you. So this is another good thing about this app. This app is just all about go live. You don't even need all these fancy gadgets, just you, your phone, then you go live. Now that you go live, my network is really unstable currently. The app is one good app I can advise you to go for if you want to start making money through live streaming. Now when you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw it in your local bank account, you can withdraw it to your USDT. Well, this app is the same thing as Niki Live, Poppo Live. See, if you know how to use Niki Live, Poppo Live, then trust me, all the apps I mentioned in this video, you can use them. So this is another good app that you can look into if you want to learn or if you want to make money online from the comfort of your home. And the fourth one is the Boloup app. This is the Boloup app. This app is very easy to understand. See, if you know how to do Poppo Life, you know how to do Niki Life app, then this app is going to be very, very easy for you to understand. I'm not kidding. Another thing I love about this app is that the minimum withdrawal is $10 and the maximum withdrawal is $800. Now let me show you. See it here. A minimum withdrawal is $10 and a maximum withdrawal is $800. That means this app, what it means is that you can only withdraw from $10 upwards to $800. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10, then the maximum withdrawal amount is $800. And also you can only withdraw once per day. You cannot withdraw more than one, you cannot withdraw two times, no, just one per day. And for you to make money on this app, all you just have to do is just to go live on this app, play games, receive gift for you to make money on this app. Are people on live stream and they are really making their money. If you want to make money through live stream, then this app is one app that you should not sleep on because it really pays, and I am not joking. Live streaming apps will pay you just to go live in this 2026 at the comfort of your home, and trust me, you won't regret it. And the withdrawal method, it is so easy. See, if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more videos like this from me, then do what to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.